Hello guys, welcome back to another trading video. In today's video I'll be showing you another great strategy again over here on TradingView indicators, and of course I'll be showing you a very perfect moment to actually use this strategy. All right, so over here we're using just two indicators. The first indicator we're using is called UTBOT. I think we actually used this indicator in our last video, and the second indicator we're using right here, which is actually a new indicator, is called QQE MT4. All right, so for those of you who doesn't know where to put this up, just make sure you come on the indicator part here, click on the technicals, and over here you can just write UTBOT. All right, so when you write that, we're going to choose this one here. This is the one we're using, UTBOT. All right, so this is the only one we're using. So when you click it, you're going to have it appear here. So the setting also, you need to actually change the setting of your UTBOT. So just click here, the setting option here, and over here on the import, make sure that your sensitivity is 1, and make sure that your period here is 10. All right, the first one here should be 1, and over here you should have it what's it called, 10. Do not take this line, make sure you actually leave it on check. So when you're done, you hit save. So that's pretty much all you have to set up on our QQE-MT4 indicator. To actually put that up as well, go to the indicator, go to the technical, and over here you can actually write QQE-MT4. So when you put this up, this is the one we're using right here, all right, by Glax. So this is the one we're using. So just make sure you put it up, and this is the setting as well. So over here on our QQE, so just click on the setting icon here. On the input part here, the RSI here should be 14. The slope factor here should be 5, while the QQE should be 4.236. So that's pretty much all you have to do. On the start part here, just leave all the option here as default, the same thing with your visibility. And when you're done, you hit save. So that's pretty much all you have to set up. So like I said, this is actually another great scalping strategy. All right, and I'm going to be showing you the perfect moment to actually enter a trade when you see the signal. All right, so I'm doing this with a 15-minute candle time frame, and I'm actually trading in different pairs. So how does it work, guys? So it is a very simple strategy, just like what's it called, the strategy I showed you guys previously. It's a very simple strategy. The only thing you need to always take note of is to make sure that you're having a great moment with your QQE alongside with your signal of the UTBOT. So when that is in a place, then you won't have a big problem. All right, so the number one thing we need to look at, if anytime you're going for a trade, so always make sure that you have, for example, if you're going for a buy trade, so the buy signal needs to indicate, and you must have your two lines of the QQE at the oversold level, like at the down part level here. That must happen. The intersection too must happen. The yellow must actually intersect the red going up in the trend, and when you see an indication of your UTBOT here, then you can actually go ahead and take a trade. All right, the same thing happen if you are going for a down trade, which is actually a sell trade. The number one thing, so always make sure that you have your both QQE lines here in the overbought position, at the upper line position here. Make sure that the red actually intersect the yellow coming down and the trend before you enter a sell trade. All right, I hope you understand. But right now I'll be analyzing. I'm definitely going to put up some currency pair up, and I'll analyze it. So when I find a very good moment, I will demonstrate what I just said. Okay guys, so this is a very perfect moment, guys. You can see over here we have a very great moment. Sorry, let me actually zoom down a little. As you can see over here, we actually the bot line was very strong in the oversold position, and as you can see, the yellow line was actually trying to intersect going up on the trend. That is a very great moment with our QQE, and of course over here our buy signal just indicate that okay, the market is already going up. And so right now this is definitely going to be a good moment. So right now I'm going to put up my what's it called, my take profit and stop loss. Like I used to say, always make sure that you work with your take profit and stop loss all the time. So but with this strategy, this is what I will do. I'm definitely going to pull my take profit what's it called, on the next time. As you can see, this is where the sell actually indicate time. So I want to put my take profit at the same level with the sell on the last sell that I have here. So over here I'm going to put my stop loss. Sorry guys, so over here I'm going to put my stop loss below. Let me take this down. So over here guys, I'm going to put my stop loss below this part. Take it down here. This I'm going to put my stop loss on. All right, so like I used to say, always make sure that you take what they call your stop loss is always at the down part here. All right, so that is, let's actually put my stop loss here. So guys, let's see how this trade is going to play out. Okay guys, I think I actually hit my take profit here at this part. All right, okay, I actually hit my take profit at this particular part here. But guys, like I used to say, always make sure that you watch the chart. Say that another thing I want to explain, that this strategy is a very powerful one. So that's the reason why I usually put my take profit at the very end of the signal. All right, at the buy signal here, always make sure that you take your take profit, what's it called, your stop loss below it, because it is very hard for the candlestick to actually break that level. So that is one thing I love about the YouTube board stuff. All right, so but at the same time, if you can't actually hold up to this point of time, because I said that this is actually a very scalping strategy, which even me won't advise you to hold on for a long time. So if you cannot hold up for you to hit your take profit, always make sure that you are ready, you are there to always out of the trade manually yourself. Is very important. But over here we actually hit our take profit, but it takes a lot of time because we have a lot of what's it called, signal after that. All right, so guys, this is actually another good moment here, so I'll be finding another great moment. Okay guys, so this is another perfect what's it called, downtrend moment. As you can see over here, we have our two lines of the QQE at the very top of the chart, what's it called, in a very strong over bought position. And as you can see over here, the red has actually intersect the yellow, trying to head down on the market. So over here too, I'll be taking my short. So right here, like I said, let's make sure that you're putting your take profit above the sell signal, and of course let's actually put our stop loss to this point. So let's make sure your take profit is ×2 or ×3 of your stop loss. All right, so guys, let's check this out again. Okay, very good one there. This is a very strong downtrend, and we actually hit our take profit very quick on this. I think we actually hit it in a couple of minutes. So that's a very good one there, guys. That's a very good one there. So right now, let's keep analyzing. See if I'm definitely going to have another example to show you here, guys. Over here, we have a very great moment too for downtrend. As you can see, the bottom line is very strong in the oversold position. And when you check the yellow, as you can see, the yellow is trying to actually breach up, trying to go on the uptrend, which is very certain that it will be going that any moment. And as you can see, the indication of our buy there is very strong, and we have a very strong candle here that actually in a very strong reversal to uptrend. If that happens, let me actually grab my tool again. We're doing it for a long position. Let me actually put my take profit here, like my stop loss here, and let's increase our take profit ×3 of our stop loss. I think that is actually good. Okay, let's see how this is going to play out as well. Okay, very good one there. We actually hit our take profit before we before the market start coming down. As you can see over here, we really hit our take profit right here. This is a very smart take profit. So guys, I used to say this all the time, always make sure that you work with your take profits, and your stop loss is very important. Like I used to say, it's very important as you're trading or as you're entering the trade. Always make sure that you set your take profit and your stop loss, because sometimes the trade might be very on a very high volatile, and it will be very reverse on you. You wouldn't even know how to explain it. You may have a very strong reversal that might actually blow your account if you do not work with your stop loss and take profit. It's very important. It's very important, guys. Okay guys, see, as this is another great moment. The intersection happened with our QQE, and the uptrend is actually obvious there. Let's grab our long position right here. Let's put it here. Put our stop loss here, and let's increase this to be on ×3. Okay, that's a good one there. So guys, let's see how this is going to play out too. Okay guys, a very good one there. We actually hit our take profit here, and that is it. So guys, this is another great strategy. I want you guys to actually try this out and let me see. And for example, if you want to try this strategy out, make sure that you always try it out with your demo account so that you can be easily understand how this work before you use this on your live account. Is very important. So guys, I hope you like this video. On my next video, I'll be making another video on the same strategy, and I'll be showing you a different way to actually trade this strategy again, and so that you can be profitable. So guys, this is where I'm going to stop on today's video. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on our next video. But I love you guys, and I'll see you on another video.